Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Pt1 Gaming. So today in this video, I will be filming with my phone. Because today, we are flooded. That's why I'm wearing a life preserver. So, let's check out the flood. Okay, so this is just on the dock. I can only record 5 minutes on my phone, so this is almost covered. That's a little bit covered. This one's almost covered. And Sea-Doo, view, yeah, sure, whatever. Go check it out on my Instagram, my TikTok, and Snapchat. I'll link them down below. The table's almost underwater. We're walking in thigh-high deep water. I'm trying to find the concrete. Hold up. I'm trying to find the concrete. Hold up. Found it.
Oh my God!
Hey, Callie Grill! Don't let her come in this water. Now I'm doing a YouTube. Let's just walk through water here. The fire hydrant's almost underwater. It's raining really hard right now. So my bird houses are underwater. So now it's almost knee-high over here, over on the road. It is raining pretty hard, and I have my stuff covered. So my phone is really good. So there's fire hydrant. Here's my driveway. I'm basically wading through water. There's the mailbox. Make sure it's clear. I'm going much slower because it's like raining. It's off and on. I'm not going to step in the dirt. I just want to see if we had mail yesterday. I don't see anything. Okay. It is back to raining hard. I am doing this for you guys. That's Carter kicking the water. Where's Callie Grill? Where's Callie Grill? Oh my God. My camera's normally not this blurry, so I don't know. Could have been the reason. Eee, stepped on a rock, stepped on a rock, stepped on a rock. There's our driveway. There's the neighbor's driveway. Our mailbox, which has no mail in it. Me kicking the water.